Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase Afterpay spending limit after a late pay. This is very easy. All you have to do is head over to their official website, and then once it loads, it's going to depend on your network speed. Click on whatever country you're from, suppose United States, and then scroll all the way down until you find help. Click on that one. And then on the search button, click on I missed a payment. You'll see this first one. Click on this one. And then scroll down until you see get in touch. Click on that one. And then you're going to click on help with payments or hardship support. And then put your email address and say whatever problem you faced. Be honest with them and put all of the other information, and then once you submit it, they're going to verify, check it, and if they think that it was good enough, your problem, they will automatically not pause your account anymore. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.